XPONENTIAL is the largest trade show in the world for uncrewed systems and robotics and increasingly autonomy.
Having it overseas or having it in other countries is really important.
We have a significant amount of business interest in Europe already.
XPONENTIAL Europe will be held for the first time in February 2025.
We want to see what other countries are doing.
I can meet all the people here to explore the possible collaborations.
The timing is very well aligned with some of the business expansion that Boston Dynamics is doing.
XPONENTIAL Europe is going to fill a real gap right now in the European market. There's a whole regulatory environment that needs to be addressed.
In parallel, we will have a conference which will cover the latest innovations and topics of the industry.
And of course, many Americans and Japanese and Singaporeans and people from the Middle East and Africa will also be coming to the show to reach the European market. I think this is perfect timing, and I think Düsseldorf is really the perfect place.